In the 2018 mathematics curriculum, statistical elements are separated from the arithmetic content. Elementary school students become familiar with statistical data through activities such as collecting, classifying, and counting objects for statistics from grade 2. They learn to describe statistical data in table form from grade 3 and arrange data sets from grade 4. Pictorial graphs are introduced from grade 2. Primarily, students only need to read and describe data in pictorial graphs and make simple observations. Bar graphs are introduced from grade 4. Students only need to read and describe data in bar graphs, organize data into bar graphs, and make simple observations without the need to draw the graph. Pie charts are introduced in grade 5. Students only need to read and describe data in pie charts, organize data into pie charts, and make simple observations without the need to draw the chart. Calculating the average value of data is one of the requirements to be achieved in grade 4. Common types of tasks and exercise formats encountered when teaching statistics include: collect statistical data, sort, classify statistical data, count. Choose how to represent statistical data in the form of a data set, table, pictorial graph, bar graph, or pie chart. Teachers should note that students in grades 3 and 4 do not need to draw bar graphs or pie charts. Read, describe, comment, compare statistical data in the form of data sets, tables, pictorial graphs, bar graphs, pie charts. Through these activities, students become familiar with identifying issues or simple patterns based on observations of the data. Through learning activities, students recognize the connection between statistics and other knowledge in mathematics and in practical situations such as decimal numbers, percentage ratios. The first introduction of probability elements in elementary school is from the 2018 mathematics curriculum. The likelihood, random nature, of an event is introduced from grade 2. Specifically, grade 2 students need to choose one of the terms possible, certain, impossible to use in the appropriate context. Grade 3 students need to recognize and describe the likelihood, random nature, of an event when conducting a simple experiment, one time. For example, flipping a coin has two possible outcomes, landing heads or landing tails. If you put single-colored balls, such as green, red, and yellow, into a closed box, and then randomly pick one ball, there are three possible outcomes: picking a green ball, picking a red ball, or picking a yellow ball. The number of repetitions of a possible outcome of an event when conducting multiple experiments or simple games, such as flipping a coin or picking a ball from a closed box multiple times, is introduced in Grade 4. Grade 4 students need to count the number of repetitions of each possible outcome when conducting multiple trials. Grade 5 students need to describe these repetitions in the form of ratios. For example, using the ratio 2:5 to describe 2 occurrences of the landing heads outcome when flipping a coin 5 times.